Hey guys, Everything Like a 2 here, and today will be mini system test 8, I think. So, let's get started. Okay, so, yeah, there's some changes, and on the mini system. But something has added in the mini system. You'll see in just a second. Don't mind the mess, anyway. So, we get the panel. Put the flash on here. Get the panel, you can see. But you notice the key here in there. We're going to see it in a second. We're at the Siemens MSI 10B, or I'm sorry, the Cerberus Pyrotronics MSI 10B. Yeah. You already know I got it from Kyle D'Amato, so yeah. Up here today, I've never shown this to you, but it is a Wheelock MIZ TC12-W. This is a 12 MIZ. You can kind of see the little converter that steps it down to 19 to 20, 19 to there you go, 19 to the 12 volts. So it provides proper power for proper voltage for the horn or the device. And it is a 12 volt horn. So yeah, that's why you see the little converter in there. So yeah, that's a code 3, low volume, or code 3. Got the i3 like usual. And then we got the Siemens U-MCS-W. So yeah. And you'll get the limited tools. And we're using the smoke saber today. Okay, open this up. Now you notice there's no reset switch in here. There's no smoke detector reset switch in here. Well, now that's right here now. That's right. So this is a key switch. There you go. It's a key switch reset station for this to reset the smoke detectors. That's good because instead of the switch being in here, now it's right here now above the panel. So it's kind of like this. You can kind of see it there. So here's the key for it. I'm gonna put it right here, and you can turn it turns off like that. Like that. It's back on. There's an indicator that shows that it's on or not. So let's get started by pulling the MSI 10B. So here we go. Silence that. Go reset. I'll reset. Okay. So now we're going to do the i3. There's some smoke saver. Let me just start the light here. My phone. There you go. So here it is. I'm going to go. It goes. Silence. There it is activated. Plate's being used right now. We just that smoke out of the chamber and reset. Whoop. I see. I didn't reset the smoke. See if I have to reset this. So yeah. So I can't see. I didn't see what happened there. Is I didn't reset. I didn't reset the detector because the switch's not here, but it's right here now, like I said. So you turn it off, goes off. Turn it back on, and then now you reset. Pretty much it. So yeah. So yeah. That is May System Test 8, I think. So yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys liked it.